Hello friends, welcome back to another video tutorial in Revit architecture. I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial I am going to teach you how to import an Autocad file into Revit. So basically we import our Autocad 2D file into Revit work upon 3D. So there are two methods of importing your Autocad into Revit. So you are required to go to this insert tab here, and you can select either link CAD or import CAD. I will tell you what is the difference between the link CAD and import CAD. So first I will show you the import CAD. So I'm going to select this import CAD, and now I have saved my two AutoCAD file here. This is for ground floor and this is the first floor of my small residence project. So I will go and select this ground floor, and if you will select this ground floor, you can see the name of file ground floor.dwg, and file of type is dwg files, that is AutoCAD. And you can also select this dxf file. If you are working in SketchUp files, you can use this SketchUp files. So I'm going to select this dwg file. After this, you can see these colors here, and that is preserved. So what do you mean by this? That means if you want this AutoCAD colors to be imported in Revit, you can use this preserve, or if you will check this arrow, you can see other method like black and white. If you want your AutoCAD drawings to be black and white, you can use this, and this is for inverted colors. So first I am going to show you preserve method, and you can select all the layers. I want all layers, so I will select all. And import units, I have worked in inches, so I will select inches. If you have worked in meter, you can select in meters, centimeters or millimeters, so I will select inches, or you can also select auto detect. So I am going to select inches. And positioning, I will leave default auto origin to internal origin. You can also manually place and manually center your drawing, so I will select default and place at level 1. So level 1 is my ground floor in Revit, so I will place at level 1, and I will show you at level 2 also. So this I will leave default orient to view, and now I will open this, and you can see this is the preserved color here, and you can unpin it. Select this and unpin it, and then move to your drawing area. So this is the preserved color. I will select this, and you should make sure unpin to delete this. I'm going to click delete, and now I will again go to import CAD, and I will select this ground floor, and now I will select black and white, and I will leave the default setting here. Will open, and you can see this is in the black and white color. Again, you can select this, unpin it, and move this to your drawing area, and you can center this. So this is the black and white. I will delete this also, and now I will go to import CAD again and select the ground floor, and now I will select this one, invert color, so it will be showing invert color. So you can see this is the invert color. So I prefer working in preserved color, so I will use that only. I will delete this, and now I will go to import CAD again, and I will select this ground floor, and I will use this preserve and level at 1. Open this, and now I will click this, unpin it, and move this to your drawing area. So this is our level 1, that means ground floor. You can rename this also as ground floor and first floor, and this is for site plan. So there are only 2 floors, so you can leave this level 1 and level 2. If you want more floors, you can create levels here. So I will show you how to do in first floor. So I will go to level 2 here, and now you can go to import CAD, and you will select this one, first floor drawing, and you can leave the default setting, and I will open this, and you can see this is the first floor drawing. I will make it superimpose here. I will unpin it, and then I will move this here, and I will use this move tool, and I will click this corner of column and paste it here, and this I will resize it and place exactly on ground floor. So now you can see these are superimposed ground floor and first floor. Now you can start tracing your walls in Revit. So I will go to level 1, and now you can use this wall command here, and this outer wall in 9 inches, but this basic wall in Revit are in 8 inches, so you are required to make it 9 inches. I will go to edit type here, and I will go to duplicate this, and I will rename this as 9-inch wall. After this, after renaming, you are required to go to structure here, construction, structure, edit, and I will rename this as 9-inch. And you can also change the material if you want, and I will go to by category here, and I will go to create a new material here, and after this set browser, and I will search it here for wall paint here, and I will select wall paint beige color here, and I will apply OK, and now OK. So now this is our 9-inch wall, and I will make this height from level 1 to level 2. So you can use unconnected height also. You are required to make changes here 10 feet, or you can use this also level 2. So I am going to make unconnected height 10 feet, and I will use this wall center line method only to trace this wall of AutoCAD. And now I will find the center of this AutoCAD 2D, and I will start tracing this. So I will make a detailed video on this, so you can see this is the wall which I have traced. So you can simply drag this to this corner, and you can also use this wall again and find the center line of this wall, and you can drag this to this corner. So I will trim this, and you can trace this corner also. So now this is the wall, and if you want to place doors and windows, you are required to go to visual style and make it wireframe, so you can do your AutoCAD plan here. So now you can start placing windows here. So I will show you one window here. Likewise you can follow. I will go to this 48 inches by 60 inches window casement double. You can also insert from your library. So I will go to make it 5 feet here, because this window are 5 feet. So I will go to edit type. Again I will rename this, and you can go to this dimensions here, and width I will make it 5 feet, and height also 5 feet. So I will click OK, and now you can see this window is placed. And likewise you can place window here also, and window here also. So likewise you can follow this AutoCAD dimensions, and you can see in your 3D view here, you can see these are the modeling which take place in Revit from AutoCAD 2D, and you can view realistic mode, and you can see. Likewise you can develop. This is the first floor AutoCAD drawing. So this is from import CAD process here, insert and import CAD. So suppose if you